If you are looking for your desired mobile application or website system, we are there for your. Let us build your online/e-commerce store, food delivery system, POS system, financial management system, or any type of mobile application or website-based system for your business. We built high-quality mobile applications for all platforms, native plus cross-platform. Android, iOS, cross-platform. We will help you to grow your business by converting it into online. We provide best quality mobile application development services with primary focus on the performance and user experience. Why US? You as a customer have great ideas, which is basis of a great product. We as a team think to innovate and refine your ideas. To convert your idea into reality is our aim. Good design leads to successful completion of the product. Our team is committed to provide best prototyping, service design, and development plan. Based on innovative ideas and great design, our development team makes sure to build high performance and smooth functionality product on time and leaving you best product experience. We assure you to give 100% satisfactory results with fully justifiable and reduced cost, extra fast delivery, unlimited revisions with services like technology consultation, performance optimization, designing, marketing, etc. All our previous clients are completely satisfied with our work. So, if you want application product with all your desired requirements, consider us. Call/SMS/WhatsApp 0300 801 6343.